scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Velocity from an integral looks scary, but this is quick because the fundamental theorem of calculus gives the derivative instantly at t equals 3. We are given position, s of t, and velocity means s prime of t. So our whole job is simply differentiating that integral expression correctly. Nothing more complicated. By the fundamental theorem of calculus, if s of t equals the integral from 0 to t of a function, then s prime of t is that inside function evaluated at t. So velocity is e to the sine of t times cosine t, and plugging in t equals 3 gives e to the sine of 3. Well done. Option B. Scan now. The trap is adding extra signs from rushing. The rule is trust the given integrand and check steps.